How to convert low quality video to 1080p. To do that, watch this video till the end because, first of all, we should go on the Google Play Store and in the search bar, we can search for Video Converter Compressor, and after searching for it, we can install if the option is given. Since I've already installed the app, I can simply go on this app. After opening the app, you will see an interface like this. After this, choose the option of convert or compress, which is in the yellow box. Sorry, pink box. And after clicking on this, you can choose any video. I randomly choose this video for the tutorial. And after choosing the video, you can see that the resolution of this video is 304p. But to change it, you can just tap on 1080p and allow everything here. And then you can just convert by clicking on the convert option. And you can start it. And this is how it happens. You can just skip the ad and then it will normally change your video to 1080p. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video and the process worked, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.